If you are trying to export a video with a transparent background in Premiere Pro, like a lower third, logo animation, or any graphic, and the background keeps coming out black or solid, you're missing one important export setting. Here's how to fix it. First, make sure your video actually contains transparency in the timeline. If everything looks good, go to the File menu, select Export, and choose Media to open the export window. Under Format, change it to QuickTime. Then go to the Video Codec dropdown and select Animation, which is one of the few codecs that supports transparency. Now, scroll down and look for the depth setting. Change it to 8-bit plus alpha. The alpha part is what keeps your transparent background intact during export. Without it, Premiere will fill the background with black. Once that's set, choose your output location and file name. Now click Export and your transparent project or media is ready to use in any project. Keep in mind that this type of transparent video won't play properly in most regular media players. You can play it with Pot Player. It may look blank or show a solid color. That's normal. The transparency will only show up when you import the file into programs like Premiere Pro, After Effects, or other editing software that supports alpha channels. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.